First of all, you need to remove the key from the key fob, like this. You just press this little knob, pull out the key, there you go. And second, you see this little hole here? You need to push the key inside. It's a little bit hard. And then, if you see here, the back cover is already coming out. It's not as easy as it seems. It's not as easy as it seems. You need to push harder. There you go. There's your battery. As you can see, the battery is CR2450. When you remove the battery, you can put the cover back, and pretty much that's it.